Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove elastic from school pants. First, identify the elastic casing inside the waistband, usually a distinct channel of fabric. Next, locate the stitching that secures the elastic, often a line of top stitching. Finally, gather your essential tools: a sharp seam ripper, a small pair of scissors, and a measuring tape to help with precision. Being prepared makes the process much smoother and prevents accidental damage. Now, let's carefully begin the removal. Using your seam ripper, gently unpick a small section of the stitching on the inside of the waistband. Aim to create an opening large enough to easily access the elastic, typically about 1 inch in length. It's crucial to proceed slowly and deliberately, ensuring you only cut the thread and not the pant fabric itself. Patience here prevents any unwanted tears. With your opening created, it's time to extract the elastic. Gently pull the elastic through the opening you've made. Sometimes, the elastic might be sewn in at a few different points around the waistband. If so, you may need to create 1 or 2 additional small openings to fully free it. Make sure all pieces of the old elastic are completely removed from the waistband for a comfortable fit. Once all the elastic is out, smooth out the waistband fabric to ensure it lays flat. Then, you'll want to close the opening you created. You can hand stitch it neatly with a needle and matching thread, or use a sewing machine for a quicker finish. If you still need some waist adjustment, consider adding a soft drawstring or a new, softer elastic for improved comfort and fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.